guys, and welcome back. We're in the kitchen making some snacks, and I'm here with my assistant, Jessica Berry. So today I'm going to make some roasted chickpeas. So we have been baking and baking, and there's no flour in the place. So I wanted to make something that is in your cupboard. Chickpeas, tins of chickpeas in everybody's cupboard. I'm sure we'll have to make something with our tomato sauce as well. So this is one of a really quick, delicious, easy recipe. Well, it does take 40 minutes in the oven, but it's something really quick to put together, and you can store in your pots as well. So Jessica's going to make, I'm making the savoury chickpeas. You can also make a sweet one as well. So Jessica's going to put them together here. So what do we have?
So we have half a teaspoon of garlic.
Garlic granules, good girl.
Half a teaspoon of paprika.
Good girl.
And
we love paprika, don't we?
Half a teaspoon of
cumin.
And a pinch of coriander.
Very good. And you mix all that together. Yeah, and I'm just drying out the chickpeas, so we won't do that.
No, I got it.
So we just dry out the chickpeas here because we want them to be nice and dry when we're roasting them. And you're going to pop them on a roasting tray in the oven for about 40 minutes. And I've been doing that. So now I'm going to take it out, and then we're going to add in our spices. So just a minute. This is where you ask for an adult help, isn't it, Jess?
Mm-hmm.
So watch yourself there. So these have been roasting for 40 minutes. So Jessica's going to add in the spices. Just going to put that there. Good girl. Very nice. And I'll give that a shake. And then we'll add a little bit of olive oil as well. And then we're going to cook that again for 10 minutes.
Little bit
of olive oil. Good girl. Very nice. And a big shake. These are nice and crunchy. So they're nice for maybe a toddler, a little older. For a little baby, they might be a little bit too hard. You love them. You love them. You eat them all. But you can make sweet as well. So the sweet, what does the sweet contain? You tell them there.
So the sweet contains
nutmeg, doesn't it?
Where?
So just this one here: nutmeg, cinnamon, honey, and a little bit of salt. Yeah. So they're really delicious and really simple to make, and I'm sure everybody has chickpeas in their.
We forgot the salt.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Bye. We forgot the salt.
What the hell did you say that for? Done.